Welcome to another video about Lean Work Planner Google Sheets add-on. In this video, we will talk about velocity and how to use this value for setting up the estimated task time. Velocity is the amount of units like hours, days, or story points if you're working in sprints in Agile. And so this is the amount of units that each team member can consume every working day. Let's use the example and let's start with the hours. So let's say that John can work for 6 hours every day. Anna can work 7 hours, Alex 7 hours, and Emma can work 8 hours every day. Let's go to the tasks. Don't forget that we use hours right now. So each task needs to be estimated in hours. Task one, let's say that will take 8 hours. The next task will take 16 hours. Task three, let's say 4 hours to complete. And task four will take 20 hours to complete. Let's assign tasks and let's see how the script will assign tasks to each team member and what is the calculated time. You can see here that the first task will take 1 working day, the second 3 days, and the third and the fourth will take 1 and 3 days. So this is calculated based on the velocity. Let's use another example and let's say that we want to estimate it in days. So what part of day the each team member can use for working on tasks. Let's say that John, he can work 6 hours every day, so it's 6 hours out of his 8 hours working day gives you 0.75. So 75 of the percent of each working day he can spend on his actual work. And let's go with Anna. So she works 7 hours out of 8 hours. Here again, we have 7 hours out of 8 hours. And here we have 8 hours out of 8 hours, which gives you 1. Let's go back to the tasks and let's continue let's set how many days each task will take. Let's say that the first one will take 1 day, 2 days, let's say 2 days, and this one will take 5 days. Let's assign the tasks again, and let's see how the script will calculate the days needed for completing the tasks. And you can see this task 1 day, 3 days for the task number 2. So it was estimated for 2 days, but taking the velocity of Anna, we calculated that this will take 3 working days. And further, you can see task number 3 and 4 will take 3 and 6 days. Let's use the last unit for velocity. And let's say that you're tracking how the velocity, you calculate the velocity based on, let's say, last 10 sprints in your team. And you know that the John, who has this one specialization, his velocity is 0. Let's say 80. So he can burn 0.8 story points per day. Anna can burn 1 story point per day. Alex can burn 1.2 story points per day. And let's say that Emma can burn 0.5 story point per day. And here in the task, you can use the story points instead of hours or days to set up the estimation. And let's say that the task 1 is estimated for 3 story points, task 2 it's 8 story points, task 3 it's 2 story points, and the last one is only 1 story point. And let's use those values to calculate start and end date. Let's wait for the results. Yep, you can see. So the first task will take 6 working days to be completed by Emma. 8 points for, 8 work days for the second task, 2 days for the third task, and the fourth task will take only 1 day. So this is how you can use the velocity and the task estimation in Lean Work Planner. Thank you for your attention and see you later. Bye bye.